Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also and waiting for the videos also, right? So today I am here with the third video of the chapter Taro's Reward. Hope all of you have gone through or had gone through the videos, last two videos and understood well. Now I am here with the third video, right, of the same chapter. Chapter 3, Taro's Reward, and don't forget the meaning of story retold. Retold means saying again and again. The story which is very famous, we can have it in different languages and in different ways also. Taro's father was very happy. He began to dance. He offered a cup of sake to an old lady. So Taro's father was very happy and he asked a lady to taste that sake. You know the story behind. Taro was a poor woodcutter boy and he fulfilled his father's wish, right? Father wanted to have a cup of sake, but it was very costly and Taro was very poor. His family was also very poor, but he tried to provide that sake and he did hard work in the forest by cutting trees since morning to evening. But in between it was just a miracle, it was just magic. When he felt thirsty, he heard the sound of waterfall and he went there and he found that magic waterfall and he tasted, then he found it tasted just like sake. So he filled his pitcher and brought it to home and gave father. Father was very happy. Now father was very happy, started dancing, he felt very warm inside and he asked a lady to taste that and the lady tasted that. She was very happy knowing about that magic waterfall. She spread the news in the village. She tasted, उन्होंने वो टेस्ट किया, बहुत टेस्टी था and came to know about that magic waterfall. उसको पता चल गया कहाँ है क्या है and after tasting that magic sake, she spreaded the news in the village. So many villagers came to Taro and tasted that magic sake. सारे लोग आ गए, बहुत लोग आ गए एंड आके वो टेस्ट किया, सबको बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ, क्या मज़ेदार सेक है और ये ऐसे मुफ्त में कैसे मिल गया नेचर से, ये तो बहुत कॉस्टली हुआ करता है. सो नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट हैपेंड, नेक्स्ट डे इन द मॉर्निंग दे वेंट टू दैट वाटरफॉल विथ जार्स एंड पिचर्स, but they were disappointed as the water was not tasting like sake. They tasted like ordinary cold water. So you know people are very greedy now, people are very greedy. So once they tasted that magic water just like sake, they thought why shouldn't go there to bring. So they collected all pitchers and container and reached there. Next day morning itself they reached to that near the magic waterfall and they tasted, but it was not like that water or sake which they tasted yesterday, which was brought by Taro. So they got disappointed and बहुत ही bitter tasted था, ordinary water, not bitter tasted, ordinary water, cold water type था. तो so they got very disappointed and they started searching Taro. They became very angry. They cursed Taro and looked for him to punish. Taro saved his लाइफ क्लेवरली। सो सारे लोग उनको बददुआएं देना शुरू कर दिया, हाँ हमें बेवकूफ़ बनाया, हाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, और ऐसे पानी के लिए तुम लोग मेरे को बेवकूफ़ बनाया। बहुत गुस्सा आया, चलो उसको लेके आओ, कहाँ है। एंड बददुआ देना शुरू कर दिया, बुरा भला बोलना शुरू कर दिया, तारो तो ऐसा है वैसा है, चलो हम उसको पकड़ के पनिश करेंगे, हम उसको पनिशमेंट देंगे। सो सारे लोग उसको ढूंढने लगा, और तारो तो पहाड़ के पीछे छुप गया। ही वॉज नोइंग दे आर वेरी एंग्री नाउ, बट ही वॉज राइट, नो, ही गॉट दैट मैजिक वाटर, he got that sake, but they are not getting. What is his fault? So उनको लगा अरे मुझे तो मिला है, उनको नहीं मिला तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, तो छुप गया पहाड़ के नीचे। Then this way he saved his life. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. जापान के जो राजा थे उनके पास पहुँच गया ये खबर। He called Taro and he was very happy knowing कि he was a genuine boy, he was a nice boy, pure boy. Because of that he got, and others they are not genuine. Because of that they didn't get. So the king was, the emperor was very happy. चलो उसको बुलाओ और उसको हम अवॉर्ड करेंगे। तब he called Taro and rewarded him for his goodness and sincere service to his old parents. उनके जो ओल्ड जो मम्मी पापा हैं उनके लिए उन्होंने इतना सेवा किया। मम्मी पापा ने मांगा कि हमें पहना है और इतना कॉस्टली, और वो ट्राई किया एटलीस्ट, ही ट्राइड एटलीस्ट कि उसके पास पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन पैसा कमाने के लिए, वो सेक खरीदने के लिए उसने मॉर्निंग से लेके फॉरेस्ट में जाके लकड़ी काटना शुरू कर दिया। तो उसका सिंसियर सर्विस था, थिंकिंग अबाउट हिज पेरेंट्स कि दे आस्क्ड मी टू प्रोवाइड दैट सेक, सो आई डिड माई वर्क। सो द एम्परर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी। He named the city's best fountain after Taro. You know, the emperor was so pleased, so proud कि हमारे सिटी का एक लड़का इतना अच्छा है, इतना जेन्युइन है। तो उनके नाम पे जो सिटी के जो बेस्ट फाउंटेन था उसका नाम तारो फाउंटेन रख दिया। He wanted all children to respect and obey their parents. तो एम्परर को बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड उन्होंने सबको वो नाम तारो के नाम पे फाउंटेन इसलिए रखा कि कोई भी इधर आए देखे और सब तारो को रिमेंबर करे, याद करे कि हाँ उनके नाम पे ये रखा गया है, क्योंकि वो लड़का बहुत जेन्युइन था, डिवोटी था, मम्मी पापा के लिए सोचता था, मम्मी पापा के बहुत प्यारा लड़का था और मम्मी पापा को रिस्पेक्ट करते थे, उनका कहना भी मानते थे। तो इसीलिए उन्होंने क्या किया, उनके नाम पे वो सिटी का जो बेस्ट फाउंटेन था तारो के नाम पे रख दिया। और एम्परर ये चाहते हैं कि दुनिया के सारे बच्चे मम्मी पापा को रिस्पेक्ट करें, उनका कहना माने, इसीलिए उनका वो रख दिया कि कोई भी आके देखे सब याद करे कि तारो की जो सिंसियर डिवोशन था, सिंसियर वर्क था टूवर्ड्स हिज पेरेंट्स, ऑल शुड फॉलो दैट, एंड ही wanted कि all should follow and respect and obey their parents. Okay, so hope all of you understood and enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice time to you.